guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, hello, nice to meet you. My name's Erica. Just dropping by for the first time. Please don't forget, if you want to support the channel, please subscribe. If you like this video because it's very helpful, please do like. And if you want to be notified, don't forget to tap the bell button. Share with you guys kung paano ko na-achieve tong volumized hair na to, this look, using this one-step hair dryer styler. To, yes, this one. So I bought this for 999 pesos via Facebook. Online, I paid cash on delivery. It arrived to me after 3 days. It was shipped on the second day. So, very fast transaction. No hassle. And I used it for like about 3 times pa lang. This is the 3rd time. And I like this because it was able to save me a lot of time in terms of volumizing my hair. So if you're like me with the same case ng hair ko na buhaghag, walang buhaghag pero walang body, and then patay yung buhok mo, and then dry yung buhok mo, but you wanna look extra, watch how I test out this new product. Hi guys! So hi guys, ito na. I'll show you. Ito ay yung one-step hair dryer and styler na nakita ko sa Facebook. Yung may mga demo ads doon, I'm sure nakikita nyo yun. Minsan hindi nyo pinapansin if hindi nyo siya concern. Pero kasi ako, concern ko ang buhok ko. Kasi talagang gumagastos ako para magpa-blow dry if I wanted volumized, if I wanted straight, magpapa-hair iron ako, or ako yung gagawa. Pero wala akong matinong hair iron. So, magbabayad pa talaga ako. And I've always dreamt of having like an everyday salon perfect volume hair. And you know what? When I found this, I told myself, ito na yung kasagutan sa aking problema. One-step hair dryer and styler. Smooth, frizz-free blowouts in half the time. So, yung hair ko was air-dried. In-air-dry ko siya kagabi. So, now, ito na yung finished product ng air-dry. Naka-ribbon pa to, guys, ha? Okay, just a brief background sa hair ko para sa mga makaka-relate dyan. Yung hair ko is wavy, dry, maraming patay, and marami siyang pinagdaanan. Kinolor siya multiple times. Nagpa-bleach ako multiple times. And ito, grow out na to. Pero pinakolor ko siya ulit kasi nabore ako sa black hair ko. So, ayan. This is colored. And rebonded to. Just recently, I think about a month. So, ito yung itsura niya. Pag in-air dry mo siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. It's like this. It's made of plastic. Tapos ito, glossy na plastic. And then, itong wire niya, naro-rotate. So, pag inikot-ikot mo, adjustable, flexible siya. And then, meron dito yung kung saan lalabas yung air. May brush siya na meron yung mga, what you call it? Basta yung brush na may mga pink sa dulo. Tapos, meron siya yung parang yung mga curling brush na parang toothbrush, yung gamit na brush. Stable lang siya. And then it says here 220 volts, made in China. So, let's begin. I'm gonna go from off, okay, to yan. This is the low. Okay. Middle. Surprising yung middle. Parang mas tame yung sound. And then, this is the high. I'm gonna part my hair. And I didn't mention pala, super kapal ng buhok ko. Super kapal niya. Try low first. O kaya with this one, para makita natin kung ano yung tsura pag low. Going on the direction talaga na going outer. So, ayan. Sumunod naman siya. And mas bumagsak na yung hair ko. And tatry ko naman medium how it's gonna look. Guys, sinadya ko talaga na hindi siya gamitin on wet hair para hindi tayo matagalan. If you're gonna ask me kung makakapag-dry ito ng wet hair, definitely because it does emit hot air, heat. So it will. So now I'm just gonna test it out on the issue of kaya ba niyang mag-style ng hair. Because it does say on the box na it is a hair dryer and styler. Now let's go on medium. This time naman paloob. Okay, so now I tried the medium and paloob ko naman siya. And there you go. Paloob na siya. Kanina pa fly away siya, ngayon nakapaloob na siya. I'm more comfortable using the medium kasi hindi siya ganun kaingay. Medyo nakaka-cause ng anxiety o nakakabigay anxiety yung ingay na to. Parang merong nag-grind ng ipin mo. Now let's try the high. Try ko naman na hold. Super init na paso yung tenga ko. Ayan! So, hinold ko siya for like a few seconds. Hindi ko siya niro-roll, but naka-steady lang siya. Parang yung mga heating curlers. And then, mas nakapaloob na siya. Ayan. Pero ang dry ng dulo ng hair ko. Okay, now I'm gonna style my hair. And let's see kung anong ma-achieve natin with this. Let's begin. From the heat. It's super init niya, super powerful niya. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you my feedback. I wanna show you first, okay? Kung ano yung itsura niya. So, ito yung itsura niya. Pinaloob ko siya talaga. And, ito yung na-achieve ko. Bouncy, volumized hair. May body na siya. As compared kanina na super flat and like, you know, flimsy hair. Ito talaga bouncy. And, yeah, as I've said, volumized hair. So, I'm gonna give you just my feedback kung ano yung experience ko sa paggamit nitong, what shall I call it again? It doesn't really have, like, a specific brand. It just says what it is. It's a one-step hair dryer and styler. So, I guess, yun yung name niya. That's what it say. Ayan yung sabi sa box. And so, I'm gonna show you guys, ito na yung itsura ng hair ko now. Notice ko lang sa paggamit nito, one, you do need gloves kasi it is so impossible, girls, and don't even try it na while using this tapos you're gonna run your fingers on your hair, which is natural, like it's there, we have a tendency to do that when we're styling our hair. Wag na wag kasi sobrang ouch, mainit yung buhok, like really super init, mapapasok yung kamay ninyo. So get a gloves, and then for your sake, like, ibalik mo siya sa low because I cannot trust it completely. Baka mamaya mag-overheat and then umapoy, magkaroon ng umapoy, magka-usok, something like that, mag-overheat something. Just for your sake, i-on, off mo every now and then, i-low mo, ganyan, timplahin mo. And then I noticed if you're gonna use the very high, and then you're gonna curl your hair, may tendency masunog yung dulo. So, if you're gonna curl the dulo, I suggest you use the medium or the low. for 999 pesos, I say it's a go. It's gonna save you from the hassle of going to the salon if you're just on a rush. If I'm gonna time myself, siguro, I will be able to style my hair. Kung naka-air dry na yung buhok ka, style my hair for about 7 to 10 minutes. Ma-achieve nyo na yung ganitong look. Of course, it's gonna vary depending on kung gaano kahaba yung hair ninyo. Pero mine is this length and mine lasted for like, I would say 10 minutes. Kung gusto nyo pa talagang mas bouncy, of course, you're gonna spend more time heating it. And I wouldn't recommend like you would do this all the time. Siguro kung may lakad ka lang, because it does tend to dry your hair because it's very hot. So, what else? Yeah, 999, okay siya. I mean, makakasave ka ng oras, makakasave ka ng gastos na magpa-blow dry sa salon o wala ka nang kailangan. Pag nagte-travel ka, pwede mo na i-blow dry yung sarili mo. Like, hindi mo na kailangan ihasal yung ibang tao. Like, ma-achieve mo na ng ganitong look. Sobrang happy ako dito. Because if you don't know yet, my hair is like the most difficult. Palagi ko lang siyang tinatali kahit basa. Kasi nga, well, if I'm gonna air dry it, hindi ko gusto yung magiging itsura niya. Kung hindi siya naka-rebond, sobrang buhag-hag niya. So, this is very life-changing for me. Like, on a superficial level, physical level, it's gonna help me look made up and presentable. Like, I made an effort to look good for a meeting or whatever, party. Or if you just want to look extra for the day. I like it. I'm very happy for this purchase. And so, if you're like me, if you have the same case, same history ng buhok ko, I suggest you buy this. Just repercussions, of course, yung mga notes na sinabi ko sa inyo, tandaan ninyo. So, this is it, guys. So, if you want to see more videos na mga me testing out a new product, a new makeup, a new whatever, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to do it for you. And for now, I'm gonna have to say goodbye and leaving you with, don't forget to channel your positivity, be a ray of sunshine to whoever you meet because you are. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye!